Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the luxurious Thor Miramar 32.2. If you've been thinking about getting a Class A gas motorhome with the upgraded features for comfort and quality, the Miramars are what you want to look for. Just take a look at this. You see this glazed paneling on these solid wood cabinets. That's going to continue throughout the entire coach. Upgraded features, brushed nickel handles, and if you take a look, everything is recessed too. Very residential, very quality. We're going to start right here in the kitchen, where you're going to get tons of prep space, plus the beautiful rounded edge of these Corian countertops. And you got the covers that also double as a cutting board. My buddy Ian always says cut on the back so you don't scratch up the top. And Bob, come in, let's get a look at this real quick. You see that fluid right there? That's winterization fluid. That's always good to have our service folks do. Winterize your camper before wintertime, de-winterize it when it's not wintertime. But we take a look at these stainless steel double sinks, brushed nickel high-rise faucet with the sprayer handle there, large convection oven. You got the burner over here, which also has induction. So if you don't want to run gas to cook, you can do electric, but just having this gives you a nice double feature. Solid backsplash as well, and that storage and style is going to continue throughout this entire coach. Just taking a look at the drawers, you can see residential solid wood, ball bearing slide outs, giving you the full extension for every drawer in here. 11 cubic feet on this residential fridge. Yes, this is a camper, I promise you. It's not my house. But look at all the storage space there. Got the glass adjustable shelves, got the large freezer with the ice maker. Right across from there is your control panel. So this is touchscreen, and it gives you the chance to, if you want to set things up for like running your generator, maybe you're at a campsite that won't allow generators after 10 p.m., you can set that up to run not only at a certain voltage, but cut off at a certain time. Come over to the bathroom where we have the solid barn door for that, giving you lots of privacy, but ceramic bowl with the foot flush, and look at the leg room that I have. Not only that, look at the style of these features and fixtures inside this bathroom. You got the L-shaped counter here. You even have the water heater that's electric, and you can time it. Mirrored medicine cabinet with the double doors. Just the little touches that they put in here makes this such a nice, great coach. Come over to the tub with the single surrounds, the shower, and one of my favorite features, the glass doors. So nice because they clasp together and they stay shut. But look at the size of this skylight. Not only is it giving me lots of headroom, but I have so much natural light coming in there, it just makes the experience light and airy. Come back towards the master bedroom, and you're going to see right beside the fridge, got lots of pantry space with the slide out drawers. And right here in the wardrobe, this is actually a false back. They are prepped for washer and dryer. We just have these set up right now so you guys can kind of see how much storage space is inside of it. Come back to the master bedroom, large TV right above your wardrobe there with the solid wood drawers. And Bob, see if you can get that control panel right there. These control panels detach from the wall, but they're all the way throughout the coach. So if you want to take one from up front, you can control the lights, the beds, the awnings, the whole nine from these little almost remote controls that are attached on the wall. And take a look at that wardrobe space. Hanger, there's your extra table, which goes up front between the driver's seats. But just the countertop finish here in the wardrobe. You got the solid residential slip resistant flooring. This is a beautiful home on wheels. King size bed with the plush headboard, LED lights underneath. You have charging ports on both sides here on your nightstands. Just making this experience enjoyable, pleasurable. I mean, just look at the space I have here. This is gorgeous. You got the theater style seats right here, the recliners that are plush and comfortable. Plus you got the cup holders, got the extra storage space there. And since they have the seat belts, this is where people can sit, because this whole wall right here is a super slide. So this would come in to about right here, still giving you access to the bathroom, but making that a spot where people can sit, as well as the dinette, which has the drawers underneath. This does convert down into a bed, but it has the large bay campside window. You got those glazed cabinets up above. And then we come over to the front cab area. You do have a bunk over cab here, which has the plush pillow top mattress. And this is a 500-pound maximum capacity. And obviously we have it down so you can see it. But during transit, this goes all the way up. Got the netting right there on top. And just take a look at what you're going to be driving. Now, this is on the 6.8 liter Ford V10, but this cab right here almost feels like a spaceship. Got the beautiful wood gray finish here, got the 10-inch touchscreen control panel, and of course, plenty of room for not only knickknacks, as I like to say, but drinks as well, and leather seats. And on the passenger side, you even have a fold-out laptop table. So, luxury, comfort, upgrade. If that's what you've been looking for, you want to come check out the 2020 Thor Miramar line of coaches. This 32.2, as you can see, can sleep plenty of people, and it's luxurious, but wait till you see the outside. Okay, folks, here we are on the outside of the 2020 Thor Miramar 32.2 beautiful gas Class A. This is sitting on the Ford V10 6.8 Triton engine that's going to give you plenty of power, especially if you need to pass. It does have the mirrors that also have the cameras on the side. Bob, see if you can get that there. That really helps when you're driving down the road. Plus, it does have the backup camera. And if we come around to this side, I want you to see, get a wide angle of this. Look at that beautiful full body paint. This thing has 147 cubic feet of storage on it. Plus, you got the powered scissor arm awning that has the LED lights underneath, the seamless double pane windows that are privacy and sealed all the way throughout, solid grab handle, and the steps that go in and out whenever you open and close the door. But take a look at these storage compartments. I like to call these the wet storage because they're rubberized, plus they also have the little drain holes. Now this one has a port where you could run a hose or a charging through it, but it is passed through and you can see the construction that went into this Miramar. Come back here to your 100-gallon water tank. I just kind of wanted to show you some of these features. Got your control right there, but that is plenty of water if you need to do the long weekend trip or the week trip, or just go across the country to see the family. Outside entertainment with the large TV, which is solid mounted, but it also has a swivel and a sound bar. So you run the awning out, you got the grill going. This will give you the outside entertainment, beach, mountains, no matter where you're at. Come back to the battery compartment where you have your 2 batteries, coach and house. Here's your propane tank under here. And if you notice, look at the sealed, insulated underneath these awnings here. The awnings also come with toppers, just giving you that extra layer, that extra level of touch, class, safety, because having those toppers on the awnings really helps keep the debris and stuff off of it. Solid mounted ladder, which goes all the way over the top, giving you that extra level of security. And backup mirror, backup camera with LED lights, master bedroom window right here. And I love how this is recessed inside. Just once again, luxury and class. 8,000-pound tow-in hitch right there. And this is a glass coach. So right there's your plug. Got the 5,500 Onan Cummins generator, which is going to give you plenty of power, and it runs extremely quietly. Another storage compartment here, but I also want to show you, this is where your 50-amp cable would hook up. So right there's your power source. You also have your cable connection there. And we come around to the command center, as I like to call it. This is where you have your dump controls, your drain outlets, water heater, tank fill. You got your water filter as well. They use a Flow Pure filter. And I've said it many times, storage for days, put a week on it. This thing has got you covered when it comes to storage. So if you've been looking to upgrade that camping experience and you want to go for the weekend, you want to go for the week, or you got family across the country, don't pay those expensive hotel rooms. Don't pay for those airline tickets. Come check out one of these beautiful Thor Miramar line of Class A gas RVs. Luxury, comfort, style, and strength and power for days. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Let me know down in the comments, what'd you think? What'd you like about this 32.2? Where would you like to take it? We love hearing your comments. Until next time, enjoy camping, and hey, come check out a Miramar. I'll see you soon.